This is Jeff Spieler, Tech Agronomist with DeKalb Agro Seed. And today for our 2-minute drill, we're going to talk a little bit about fallow syndrome in corn. And due to the social distancing we're dealing with right now, a lot of our meetings we had scheduled over the past week and over the next few weeks have been canceled. And we're getting this question a lot over the winter, and at different grower events, and someone wanted to address it here. What fallow syndrome in corn is just going to be your nutrient deficiency, mainly phosphorus and potentially some zinc as well. Going into 2020 due to the prevent plant acres in 2019. And this picture here just shows what pretty common phosphorus deficiency is going to look like. Those are pretty severe symptomology compared to what we sometimes see, but that is typically what we could expect with fallow syndrome. Also, here in this picture, this is what zinc deficiency can look like. There again, we won't see this quite as often as we do phosphorus deficiency, but it is a possibility as well. Really, the cause of this is just, there again, that lack of that relationship with the fungi in the soil and our corn roots in 2020 due to that fungi not surviving in 2019 due to the prevent plant, no actively growing roots, and potentially no weed pressure out there. So, if you had bare fields, this could be a potential issue in 2020. Some of the things that could combat the fallow syndrome, one, if you had a cover crop in 2019, that would help significantly. You'd have those actively growing roots out there, grass roots in the soil to have that relationship with the fungi. Also, other things you can use to combat this. You can go to soybeans in 2020. Soybeans are going to have less of an impact with the fallow syndrome that corn would. Other things that you can do as well. Applying a phosphorus starter in furrow with your planter as an effective way to combat this. Also, banding that fertilizer in a 2x2 scenario can help as well. I get the question a lot. Can I apply, broadcast phosphorus in the fall or spring, or even do some in-crop rescue treatments with phosphorus? And really, those aren't nearly as effective. We need that fertility available to that plant, in furrow when those seedlings are growing, to help combat this. So. Like always, this article is on aganytime.com. This and many other agronomic articles, so feel free to look at this in more in depth. And like always, if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Thanks.